In front of me is Redmi Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to take a photo and add it instantly within Messages app, use this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Then operate camera section at the top, and when you're ready, take a photo that will be automatically added to your message. If you want to attach already existing photos, use the same icon and either click on them here, or if you can't find them, scroll down and when you see all of those searching options, use them to find and select all of your photos. Then hit done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!